For any smartphone company, the goal is to try and entice people into becoming regular customers. They design all sorts of clever strategies to try and make you perceive your phone as obsolete and want to replace it as often as possible. But do you really need to buy a new phone every year? We don't think so. So here are the important tips for you to keep your smartphone new and work smoothly. Replace your screen protector. Screen protector also get damaged over time. After all, that's what they are supposed to do, protect your screen. But a screen protector with the cracks and shatter marks is never fun to use and can certainly make your phone feel old. Luckily, screen protectors are pretty cheap and you can almost always find one that's compatible with your phone's display. So this is the best thing to do to keep your phone new. Replace your back cover. While there is nothing wrong with sticking to one back cover for as long as it works, it will inevitably get dirty and discolored over time. If you have one of those transplant TPU cases, it's very likely that it will turn yellowish and that is very annoying. So buy a new back cover that looks sexy and new. Apply custom skin. Unlike back covers, smartphone skins are not meant to protect your phone. They do exactly what their name suggests. Give your phone a new skin. You can apply custom skin on your phone's body to make it look like new and exciting. Delete unimportant media. Over time, your phone gets filled with images, videos, documents, GIFs and more, especially the WhatsApp images and videos. And so many of these are often not worth the storage space they occupy. If your internal storage is full, it will affect your phone's overall performance as there is no breathing room for your phone to process functions smoothly. And this can slow down your phone, make it lag and feel dated. So avoid this and delete them. Delete old and unused applications. Similar to the last point, delete all the applications that you no longer use. If you ever need one of those apps again, you can simply download it back. Unused applications only make the things harder for you as they eat storage, occupy RAM by running in the background and make your phone feel cluttered. Deleting them will help make more room for new applications. Update all your remaining applications. After deleting all unused applications, you can make good use of all that extra space you just gained by updating all the applications that remain. To do so, simply follow these steps. Open the Google Play Store, tap on your profile picture, select Manage Applications and Device, tap Update All. So these are few of the important things that you can do with your phone to keep it new and look sexy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.